The investigation into the gruesome death of 8-year-old Daniel Rowe has hit a snag. Police told a gathering at the Brayton Primary School in St. Catherine today that they do not have any clear leads. Kirk Wright was there.
For the most part, it was a lively devotional sermon at the Brayton Primary and Infant School Friday morning, which brought cheers to the relatively small gathering of mourners, mostly donned in black, an expression of oneness against violence towards children. The gathering was triggered by the death of Daniel Rowe, who was taken from the school over a week ago and her throat slashed along Roosevelt Avenue in St. Andrew. In the midst of the celebration of Daniel's life, the police announced some not so promising news to the mourners about their efforts to find her killers.
I spoke with the investigators, one of the investigators this morning, and there is just no clear lead at this time, despite the tremendous efforts of the investigators. Nonetheless, they continue to go at it with the investigation.
Senior Superintendent Phillips again made an appeal to persons with information about the killer or killers to tell the police what they know. The school's vice principal, Caroline Horton, says Daniel Rowe's death is deeply affecting the school population.
Our lives will never be the same. For us, it is our reality. That's right. It is our reality. And every day we come, we try to be strong for each other and for our little ones. When we pass the grade 2 class, I can't imagine what the teacher is thinking. This is not a recital for me. This is what we are feeling.
The Minister of Education, Favour Williams, brought some promising news with her announcement of additional closed-circuit cameras, CCTV, to be placed on the school's compound. After Daniel's unfortunate incident, the school on their own installed 8 CCTV cameras.
In the assessment that was done after those 8 cameras were installed, it was reported that there are still 8 blind spots here on the property. And so already the Central Ministry of Education and Youth is in the procurement process for an additional 8 CCTV.
Minister Williams says the idea is to outfit schools island-wide with security cameras, but because of the procurement process, this will take some time. She says the hope is to link all cameras into the Jamaica Eye system for increased monitoring and better data protection.
It's going to be a multi-year project because we have 1,010 schools all across Jamaica, so you can see the magnitude of such a program, but we have to protect our children.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.